Alright, and we're back with the Audi TT Mark 1. In this video we'll be replacing the fuel pressure regulator. I am sure the old one needs to be replaced. Okay, so you'll find the fuel pressure regulator located right on top of the fuel rail there. First thing I'm going to do is pull the vacuum line and grab myself a flathead screwdriver, as you will find a C-clip that keeps the regulator in place. Once you remove the clip, you should be able to just pull on the regulator and it should come right up. Comparing the new and the old regulator, I noticed there's a filter that goes right on top and it's missing. And what do you know? It got stuck inside the housing itself. So I'm gonna clean up the housing and get rid of the filter that's stuck in there before I put in the new regulator. If you take a closer look, it seems like the filter had already started to deteriorate. So it's a good thing we're actually replacing it now. And as I like to say, installation is opposite of removal. So push the regulator in place, push the C-clip in place, and put your vacuum hose back in there. You're all done. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. That's it for me today. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.